The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. High-precision armament of the Russian Aerospace Forces has neutralized the workshops designed for producing rocket motors in Pavlograd of Dnepropetrovsk region, as well as 3 workshops at Kommunar plant in Kharkov. That was the venue for producing projectiles for multiple launch systems. In Kupiansk direction, intensive actions of the Russian forces have resulted in frustrating the attempts of 2 enemy's company tactical groups to launch an attack towards Berestovoye of Kharkov region and Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic. Russian artillery and army aviation have neutralized the enemy. The units of the armed forces of Ukraine have been driven back to their initial positions. Over 110 Ukrainian personnel, 3 tanks, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 5 pickups, 14 Humvee and Cossack armored motor vehicles have been eliminated. In Krasny Liman direction, 2 reinforced mechanized infantry battalions attempted to launch attacks towards Ploshanka and Chervonopopovka of Lugansk People's Republic. All the attacks have been successfully repelled by Russian forces. The enemy has suffered casualties of over 90 personnel killed and about 60 wounded, 4 tanks, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 12 motor vehicles. In Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, the enemy has been neutralized by Russian artillery, assault and army aviation. Over 95 Ukrainian personnel, 10 armored fighting vehicles and 10 multi-purpose motor vehicles have been eliminated. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 5 Ukrainian command posts near Krasnogorovka, Nevelskoye, Pobeda of Donetsk People's Republic, Novogrigorievka, Myrnoye in Nikolaev region, as well as 87 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 179 areas. A missile attack has resulted in the neutralization of one of foreign mercenaries' headquarters near Nikolaev. Moreover, 4 munition depots have been destroyed near Novonikolaevka, Krasnoarmeysk, Seversk of Donetsk People's Republic and Novoalexandrovka of Kherson region. Air defense facilities have shut down 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Alexandrovka of Kherson region and Dokuchaevsk of Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 9 projectiles launched by HIMARS and 3 rockets launched by Uragan multiple launch rocket systems have been intercepted near Chernobyevka of Kherson region. In total, 330 airplanes and 168 helicopters, 2,426 unmanned aerial vehicles, 384 air defense missile systems, 6,322 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 882 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,551 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,027 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Україну. Слава усім нашим героям, слава нашому прекрасному народу, слава Україні!